Hello folks, good morning. It's Friday morning. The video I had planned for you, it didn't work out. The SD card, it messed up. When you live out in the middle of nowhere, we need to keep a couple of them on hand. But anyway, we'll get one of them. Nothing happens this weekend. We'll run over to Wally World and pick one up. What we was going to done this evening there, we started getting ready. They're giving bad storms tomorrow. Chance of isolated tornado. Those happen very seldom where we live at, but they have hit before. And then when they get down in the mountains, it just sort of bounces around off the mountains. But if you all are in the line of the storm, stay safe. Pay attention to the weather. I was going to show you the peppers that we started. They're starting to come up in the milk jug. We've not opened up the baggie yet to see if Daniel's peppers has started. So let's see, that was a week ago Thursday. Week ago today, actually. But they're starting to pop up. And so they're doing good, knock on wood right now. And right now I'm using the computer camera, and I wasn't able to show you that. And but it's going to be a short video. Folks, hope you all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Hope you have a great weekend. And Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Monday. Hopefully with some footage. Carolyn had got some of the goats out there today and stuff. And like I said, we was just going to show you some more stuff there getting ready for the garden. It's no big loss. We'll get it fixed again for you there. Yeah, there's little Dixie a-blowing. She's ready for me to get off this. Stay safe. Lord willing, we'll see you Monday. Hope you have a great weekend.